Ready?
Okay, Aubrey.
Aubrey is receiving a gift basket today from
Antioch Church.
the Antioch Church children. My Uncle Pete and Aunt Margaret brought it by for her. So this is her new. Avery's excited as well. So we wanted to videotape this so the kids would be able to see. Aubrey, would you like to say something to all the kids?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it very much. Everybody is blessing us. God's been blessing us. We can't thank everyone enough for absolutely everything. So far, we have had a good day as well. And just seriously, thank you.